Hi, and welcome to Karson's Kitchen, featuring Rosanna. Today's episode, we're going to be making a chicken keto burrito. Rosanna, would you like to tell them what that entails?
Sure. First, we're going to need NuCo's coconut wraps, the original. We're going to need Wegmans organic bacon.
Applewood smoked, not cherrywood smoked.
Right, we don't like that. Wegmans organic chicken breasts, Wegmans organic avocado.
And we're going to cook it in epic duck fat, and we're going to season the chicken with Celtic Sea Salt, Wegmans organic garlic powder,
It has to be organic,
Wegmans organic ginger powder, and for the sauce, we're going to combine the Primal kitchen honey mustard with avocado oil with the Sir Kensington's organic mayonnaise with sunflower oil.
so good.
So good. All right, but first we have to pound the chicken. And we do this so the chicken cooks evenly all the way through. So first what we want to do is season the chicken with Celtic Sea Salt. Then we're going to add some Wegmans organic garlic powder. Give it a nice dusting, like so. Then we're going to add Wegmans organic ginger powder. Again, just a light dusting. And we're going to do that on both sides. Okay, so after the chicken is seasoned, the next thing we want to do is preheat the oven to about 385. Then we're going to set the pan to about a little less than medium. Then we're going to take the epic duck fat and we're going to put it in the De Beyer's carbon steel pan. Okay. Then I put on my safety glasses because bad stuff happens when you don't. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put them seasoned side down first. And we're going to let that cook for 3 minutes on each side. And while they're cooking, we're going to season the other side. First we got the Celtic Sea Salt, then the organic garlic powder, light dusting, then the Wegmans organic ginger powder. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're gonna flip them and we're gonna cook them for another 3 minutes. Get them nice and golden brown. And then we're gonna set the timer for another 3 minutes. All right, so after 3 minutes on each side, what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer the chicken over to a parchment paper lined tray. Sometimes what I like to do is take the oil, and just put it on the chicken just so they don't dry out. Then what you're going to want to do is put them in the oven on 385 for about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on how your oven works. So for these, I'm going to do about 33 minutes. Okay, so while the chicken is in the oven cooking, next what you want to do is you want to cook some bacon on the stove. So I like to take about 4 or 5 pieces of the Wegmans organic Applewood smoked bacon and just lay them right in the pan on a medium heat right on the pan. And let them cook for about a couple minutes till they're done.
Okay, so to make the sauce for the keto burritos is really simple. First, you just want to take a couple dollops of the mayo. And then you want to take the honey mustard and then just add like a dash to taste. Shake it up first. About that much. Some people like it more mustardy, some people like it less mustardy. Give it a stir. And there's your sauce.
Okay, so next what we want to do is we want to cut open an avocado and mash it all up. So okay, so it's been about 30 minutes, so we're gonna check the chicken, see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Nice and golden brown. All right, so once your chicken is all done cooking, after we cut it up, then we're gonna put everything together. So first we're gonna start out with our NuCo coconut wraps. And we're gonna put those down as the base. Then we're gonna take some mashed up avocado. Put that down. Spread that in. Then we're gonna take the chicken. Chicken on there. Then we're gonna take some crushed up bacon and put that on there. Then we're going to take that sauce that we made, drizzle that over it. Okay. Then we're going to take a little bit of Wegmans organic ginger powder. Just going to add that on top. And voila! Karson's Keto Burritos. Karson's Chicken Keto Burritos. All right, you ready to try these?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Oh yeah.
So if you like this keto recipe, like and subscribe to Karson's Kitchen for more. And get you a man who can cook.
Your boy can cook.